let's get started with a simple HTML5. I'm going to use this emmet abbreviation to insert a bunch of boilerplate code for me. I'm going to go ahead and do something a little more advanced. Say, and again, observe the preview for the content assist, which shows me the code that's going to be inserted. I'm going to continue to use content assist. Notice that it appears as I type, and we even have content assist for CSS classes. So this is something that scans your workspace, figures out what classes you have defined, and would suggest them as part of your HTML content assist. So let's move on now to let's say some CSS, and we support the latest Css3 properties, of course. Again, handy documentation if you're not familiar with something new. And we even have emmet support, for instance. Let's say do something in that. And one of my favorite features is the hover, which tells you what elements a particular style would get applied to. This one, for instance, would apply to all divs. This one is divs with the enabled class, and this one is divs with the enabled attribute. So that's about all we have for this video. We're sure you're going to enjoy coding in CodeMix and find it a far more productive experience. Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks.